This 2012 Aliner Ranger is a pop-up RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Aliner and features sleeps 4. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front living area, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.